Alright guys, hive number 2, looking for the queen. Beautiful brood on that, so we will take that over as long as there's no queen. So we'll take that over to the nuke box. Nice brood and capped honey on this side. It's actually a great great frame. Just double check, there's a lot of bees.
Okay, so we're gonna take this. How about I move it here until we find the queen?
Alright.
How many are we gonna take? How many frames? 2. Okay, so that's 1. The weather is very drizzling rain, very cool. Relax that evening. So they are calmer, more subdued than usual. I don't see any queen.
So this is the one-eyed queen, number 2.
Is one queen?
Yeah. So she's marked.
Any
pretty easy to see.
Is this a potential or not?
I like it.
To take it up? Into the star
Maybe
box?
the next one. No, the first one that you pulled out
Was exquisite.
was good.
Okay.
Use the hive frame to give yourself a bit of space now.
Just worried about the queen. There's so many bees already. I miss the queen. Are you sure it's 6 months? 6 months.
There's no way it's in 6 months. You didn't start in the winter.
No.
There's no way this is 6 months. Referring back to your previous comment, don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe you can tell us back at home when we started this. Seriously? July?
No.
You're dreaming, mate. In fact, you're out of it. It's just be brother.
Maybe July was when you saw those. When did you see the swarms? That's when it all started.
Well, I just
The
feel
godsend
like you're
swarm.
picking on me now, so I'm just not going to talk
I
about
just
it right
not stopped recording.
I've just...
You're a child.
I think
there's the
someone's
queen.
calling me.
Got it? Yeah,
Oh.
queen. See,
The one-eyed.
The one-eyed queen.
The pirate queen.
All right, well, let's take the other frames out then.
got the other
Always
two.
holding it.
Yep.
Yeah, if he holds her out,
All right, I'll
and
get
she
it.
doesn't fall in.
And then we're going straight into the nuke box.
Yep.
All right, guys, we're expanding hive 2 into nuke box 2.
She's still on there, Milano?
I don't know.
Oh, we've got a queen cell.
Is it a queen cell, you think?
Yeah, 100%. See if it's...
Wow. Yeah, queen will take
Can you hold it up so I can see
like that?
inside?
More?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, they might not be extremely happy with her right now.
Some?
Okay, so is she still on there?
I don't know.
Let's just have a look.
Can't see her now.
So this might help her as well, because if we kill that queen cell, they might be looking like they have no more room. And taking 2 frames out will really give them a lot more space.
There's another. Is that the queen cell you got before? Sorry. Yeah, good. Okay. She will be on there. I guarantee it.
Can't we just take that? Here she is.
Yep, you got her? All
Yep.
right.
Okay.
You want to catch her?
If you put her in that,
Serious?
then we know where she is.
Are you serious?